welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee. If this is your first time, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful. And let's go ahead and get into this review. So we're going to be getting into a synthetic unit. Okay, this is that new. So this is Sensationnel's. Girl, why is my Siri cutting on? But this is Sensationnel's Butta lace unit. So this is what it is going to look like. So this is going to be a stock card up close. It is going to be Glam Wave 24-inch in the style color Balayage chocolate, and it's supposed to be what the model is wearing. So this is going to be the inside of the pamphlet. You see they have more colors, and then the back, of course, is the difference. Yeah, I saw this on the model and I was like, oh my god, I gotta have the color. So that's what I did. But now, so correction, on the websites it's showing that this color is Balayage chocolate. It is not. It is Balayage caramel. So dang, now I don't have this color. So both sites are, I got this from Elevate Style. They do have it on wig types. It will say Balayage chocolate. It is Balayage caramel. So if you do want this color, oh my god, it's Balayage caramel. Well, there goes that. Okay, so this is going to be the color. So it's giving off like an auburn and like a 30. So it's really pretty. I think it is so freaking fall. Like the colors and everything is very much fall. And then it is going to be a curved side part. So the part is going to be on the right side. And of course they do have the baby hairs. So let's go ahead and try this unit on. Oh, I didn't show y'all the inside. So yeah, so this is gonna be the inside. 2 combs on top, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Hey, I'm sure messed up about that because I wanted to try that Balayage caramel color on. So to start out, the cap, I don't know, maybe I have to refix the straps, but this is what it looks like on this side, and then on this side it is like right over my ear. So I'll see when I cut off the lace if that's gonna be a problem. And then right here, it is plucked right here in the front. I feel like it could be a little bit more plucked. And then on the sides, of course, from like right here all the way down, you don't have any lace. So where they have it plucked at, into right here, you do have like the little lace that you can, you know, pluck back. And then like right here, yeah, I just feel like this could be plucked a little bit more. And I think I have to move it towards this way. So yeah, so that is what it's looking like. I don't know if I like it a lot right now, but it's all right. The color is pretty. I think more so this needs to be come up a little bit, kind of like, maybe that's what it is. And then I feel like this needs a little bit more face framing, like it needs to be cut and then going across. I think maybe that's what it is. It looks prettier like that. And then like, as you can see like in my monitor, this doesn't look bad. So if you don't want to have to plug it, you don't have to, because basically the bang is going to be going over your face and covering up this side of the hair, and then this right here. So let's go ahead and just cut off the lace and then see what it looks like, and if I have to loosen this up. And with this being like just a basically like an L part, but it's a curved part, since it's just a little bit of lace in the front, I'm just gonna cut right like across. I'm not even gonna use my eyebrow razor. I'm just gonna cut off the lace. So the wig has been cut. So while I have this off, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 362 Truffle. So cutting off the lace, this wig kind of doesn't go like, I guess the wig would have to sit on top of my ear. So it'd have to sit like dead on top of my ear, and then on this side it goes like this, and of course it's going back like that. So for this unit, it sits on my head good, so I don't have to like glue it down, so I can get away with just wearing it like this. But it's not a unit that I can just slay and, you know, kind of wear back and stuff, since it does kind of fit my head a little funny. So that kind of sucks. So the wig doesn't kind of fit my head like I would want it to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just lay the baby hairs down and stuff like that. I'm not gonna really worry about too much like gluing this wig down, since it does not fit me properly. So I'm going to be applying my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. Then I'm going to go on top with the Maybelline Fit Me powder that I used earlier. It's okay if it gets messy, because we are going to go back in and clean up the mess. So I'm going to take my freezing spray. I'm just going to go over that. So let me say this, brushing it out, wow, it feels like human hair. What? Let me see the side card. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this unit, it does have human hair fibers mixed with synthetic, and that is what it is giving. Okay, so brushing through this hair, it feels really, really good, like bomb. So I'm just going to fix this right here, how it's poofing up. And I do have my hot comb on 5. I am gonna take some wax just to put right here in this little part. So this is gonna be the unit. I can't really get my bang how I want it to go, but I think that's because of how I have it on my head. I did pull it down some, but it's still not going how I want it to go. But yeah, so this is gonna be the unit. This is gonna be the hair all the way to the back. So on here, density is nice with this unit. The color is super, super pretty. Like I said, this is like a fall color unit. Like the color is dead on. Like, so I just have to lay this wig down. I can't not lay this wig down. So I did cut like this into the lace, and then I do have some got to be glued under here to hold this down. Since I did have to cut it like that, and then I did pull the unit down, so now I do have this out because it's digging into like my hairline. So all of this right here that I have, you see right here how my baby hairs are. So all of this I'm gonna have to pluck and then lay this as baby hairs. So basically I just have to customize this whole unit. And then over here, like I said, this side isn't too bad. I just have to cut the lace that's right here behind my ear. I think I could just lay it, yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it. So that is what I am doing, cause girl, I just can't, I can't. Okay, so this is the unit after I have put in work. Like I said off the bat, this is a gorgeous unit, especially for the fall. Like the color is pretty and everything. Now that I went ahead and cut the ear tabs and everything and cut it into the unit, I did have to cut a little bit of the lace off on each side. And so now that I can have it glued down, I can go ahead and, you know, wear it pushed back. It is just going to be a curved part, so you can only do so much for the curved part, but I can go ahead and wear it down like this with the sideburns and baby hairs down, and I can have it pulled back if I wanted to instead of having it in my face. Also, as you did see from the clip, I did was trying to curl it, and the hair just fell straight. So you would probably have to water curl this unit if you wanted to, because I'm trying to get the front to kind of go a certain way and it's just not going for me. I don't know what it is, but the front is just not going the way I want it to go. And then I did cut it and it looks a little bit better, but it's just not going the way I want it to go. I'm sure the curl will come back, like once I wash this unit. It should come back, because usually they do come back. But yeah, this is how it looks. Like I said, gorgeous unit. If you have an average hairline like me, you're gonna have to put in some work, because y'all did see me tweeze and pluck, and then I took these out right here just to do like this little side action or whatever, and then I did do the sideburn. So I'm happy now, because girl, earlier it was not giving. This right here is now giving. It looks like I'm going into the office or somewhere. Like, it is such a gorgeous unit, like very gorgeous. I recommended before, I still recommend. Like I said, you just gonna have to cut the ear tabs to get it to fit. If you get a 1B, just cut off the lace like by the ear tabs, or you can put it a little bit behind the hairline and just swoop your hair up and then put it. But for the ear tabs and stuff like that, it might have to go back. And then I did also loosen up the straps in the back, which I don't know if that made a difference or not, but yeah. So this is what the unit is going to look like. So as you can see, we are down on both sides now, and this is what the unit is looking like. Very gorgeous. Like I said, we love the chocolate color. The tangling, you still don't get too much tangling. It could be for me plucking, but this hair is, the quality is everything. Okay, when I tell you everything, the quality is everything. Like, you can run your hands through it. Quality is bomb. So yeah, so I feel happy now. Now I feel happy. Now I can say, hey, go check out this unit. Link will be listed down below, okay? Because earlier it was given tragic, but hey, now it's given sophisticated, grown, and sexy. So yeah, once again, I will leave a link down below, because we are satisfied. We are satisfied, okay? We are satisfied. So So I will leave the link down below. Like I said, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.